Greetings, my friends. It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today it's time for another watercolor. I'm working on another yellowy blush rose. I'm really enjoying these roses. There's something about the cheerfulness of yellow and spring and bright, cheery colors. I think I need that right now. Because it's been one of those weeks. And sure, sheltering in place, we're staying safe where we are, but it's been hard. I feel squirrely for one thing. I feel like I could really use getting out and going somewhere and breathing fresh air and walking through green grass. You know, you hear about it. You know that the whole COVID-19 is very serious, and that's why we're sheltering in place. And we see the numbers in the news and confirmed cases and projected deaths and all that. And sure, we realize that it's serious, but somehow it is less real than when it hits someone you know. Someone you've met personally, shook their hand, know their name, seen them smile. This past week, my sister's in-laws have both died within hours of each other of the dread virus, COVID-19. They'd gone on a cruise back in February, like they always do every year. The cruise was cut short. I think they were headed for New Zealand, but they were brought back because of the whole pandemic spreading. And they did what they were supposed to do, sheltering in place, but within weeks they began to feel symptoms, and then they were hospitalized. And then they passed. And this last Friday, they were buried. My sister's family couldn't even go to a funeral. They had to watch the interment from the top of a hill far away. They couldn't even have honors or anything that's due, military people. And I think that's the biggest insult that this virus adds to injury, is that you can't even have a proper farewell. You can't even say goodbye. You can't even visit them in the hospital. You never see them again. I think when this is all over, there'll be time for proper funerals and proper farewells, but this is an insidious thing. It's attacking the whole nation at our core, taking our elderly people and the youngest and the most vulnerable. And we can't fight it. We can't send out troops against it. We can't set off bombs. All we can do is shelter in place and wait. It's pretty horrible. And is it no wonder I want to paint bright and cheerful things at a time like this? And even that, I don't know if it really did its job, because I still feel rather hollow inside. kind of lonely somehow. Well, there it is. There's my yellow rose with a blush. I hope you enjoyed my painting, if not my rant. Thanks for coming by and watching, and do come again and check out some of my links. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, everyone. Bye now.